Burwala. In order to curb the criminal elements, the Taniyat team in Circle Burwala has performed beyond its capacity. Addressing the press conference held in the town, did he say that the policemen faced the bullets themselves for the sake of the people, and during this one of our men was also injured. In a period of less than 3 months, while working hard day and night, he restrained the criminals and 28 members of 11 criminal gangs were detained. During the investigation, 31 motorcycles, 8 solar plates, 8 batteries, 6 water pumps, 8 valuable mobiles, livestock, LEDs, cash and household goods worth 71 rupees lakh 11,898 were recovered. Model Town Police Station traced 89 different serious incidents. During investigation, 22 weapons including pump-action rifles were recovered from the accused. And by taking immediate action on 2 cases of murder, the murderers and the motives of the murder were brought to justice. 6 hashish sellers and 19 liquor sellers were controlled, and more than 10 kilograms of hashish and 710 liters of alcohol were recovered and brought into the custody of the law. Gaya. 19 gamblers were arrested and legal action taken while taking action on 9 gambling bases. SHO Mozhar Farید Gundel, while talking with his team ASI Rana Gazanfar, Afzal Akram ASI and other officials described their performance in detail while presenting the stolen and exported goods. On this occasion, media representatives, Anjuman traders and social media activists were also present. DSP Muhammad Zafar Dogar, while talking about the incidents of motorcycle theft, said that CCTV cameras are installed everywhere. Citizens should park their motorcycles in the range of the cameras and install wire locks, so that the bike is safe, and it is our job to catch the thief who can be seen on CCTV.